I was wanting a multi-use level set for around the house, do odd jobs here and there, use them at least once a week, but not every day during my job. I came across this set right here. They looked heavy duty built and the reviews were great. So I decided I'd give them a try, and man, were they right. So this is the 6-piece level set. You've got anywhere from a 3-foot level all the way down to a 1-foot level. You've got your metric ruler here on the front of it. The ruler set's backed by a 5-year guarantee. The magnetic base on the bottom is precision machined. It's magnetic. That way you can stick it to the conduit, stick it to whatever steel that you might be using. You've got your horizontal and your vertical level. And the levels on these are actually magnified by being inside that tube, which makes it a lot easier to read. You've got 3 level marks on each side for fine tuning. And my favorite part of this is this vertical sight. So there's a mirror and a viewing window on the top. With that viewing window, you can use this vertical level and see right down in there from the top and see where you're at from the top and not have to be able to see the side of this. Comes in a 6-piece set. Every single one of those has the holes on the end. That way you can hang them up on the workbench for display. I've been super pleased with this set so far, and I wouldn't be afraid to tell my next door neighbor to go out and buy them today. If you want to pick them up, links at the bottom of the screen. You can grab your own.